Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope you all got to eat some good food. Enjoy some time with loved ones. Spend time with your family. Give thanks for all the blessings God has given to us throughout the year, throughout our life. I know I'm super thankful for everything He's done for me. I just pray He continues to bless me and my family. And I pray that He continues to bless you and your family. I haven't done a TA video in a while. A few days I've been grinding out on Bushido. Trying to get some progress done with it as well. But I have been itching to get on these sharks. So let's see what they are looking like. Looks like Bitcoin continues to pump. We are on the weekly. We'll start on the weekly. We'll just zoom in to these lower time frames. It'd be interesting to see if we could open the next weekly candle on the spider line in 2 days, 3 days. 3 days. Looks like the bearish divergence is not gonna confirm. Still going higher. It does look like it's wanting to stop clipping off, but looks like it's not gonna validate. It's gonna invalidate. The red dot will be higher than this red dot. Question is it gonna start clipping? Will we start seeing it printing after this candle close, or does it still got a little room up? Because it has been pumping money flow coming up. Could generally just still could see a curvature down. Same on this VWAP. I just seen Crypto Face talk about the curves on the VWAP. How it curves. If it's curving in like this, you see that curve. Think of it as a circle. Think of it as it's gonna come up. Same as the other way. If it's curving inwards, think of it as it's gonna come down. But that looks like a beautiful curve happening on the VWAP on the weekly. Now it could just keep going, but so far you do have that curvature starting to curve out. Money flow coming up. But we could start printing a top signal for this move. We could be coming up on the top according to this momentum. We will have to keep our eye on that. Also, on the weekly, I would like to show off these volume profiles for a second. Is that good enough? That'll do, because there it is. That 47.5. Right. So the volume profiles on the weekly, right here. Where are we at? 37.4. Going. Just going. So somewhere around here, if we can break this 40K node, start closing candles here. I mean, our next highest node is 47.5. Around this golden pocket here. You'll probably wick into the golden pocket if we can start breaking 40K. And this is on the weekly. We'll have to see what the VWAP does. We'll have to watch that money flow. And we'll have to see in the next 3 days if we start to print a red dot signaling a top around here. And then we could come back down to 31.8. 31.8 is key support resistance flip. Shouts out to Jason Casper for teaching me such things, teaching me how to find support and resistance flips, and just giving so much great TA, like for free, guys. If you're trying to learn TA, definitely check out Jason Casper, Frankie Candles, and Crypto Face. I'm sure there's many others, but those are the guys that have gotten me to where I am today, to where I can look at a chart and like, yeah, I can kind of tell what's going on. can make a little bit of money on this. I can do this shit full time. Thank you. Thank you. Anyway, so support resistance flip right here. You see? Flip to support. And then it held support all the way through that last bear or bull run, right? And we went up, support, went back up. Not really support, but that spider line, boom, nailed it, fucking nailed it. Then we lost it, right? Then it became resistance several times all throughout here, and then we regained it. So, what do we need to do? Well, I will show you. As you can see, we flipped it to support right here. And then we came down and tested it as support. We made sure it was support. We wanted to know, are you really going to support this run? And guess what? It did. And then we was like, let's make sure again. Are you still our support? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Almost, what is that? 2 months. 2 months. It was like, yeah, I'm gonna hold you. I got you. Don't even worry about it. And then we was able to go back up. And then it turns out it wasn't our support, and we lost it, and it just couldn't hold us anymore. So we came down, and then it was like, no, you're still too heavy. I'm still taking a break, guys. Come on. I held you for so many months. It wanted a break, but now now it might be ready to go again. Might be ready to hold us up and keep pushing us to the upside. But we probably need to come down and make sure. He still wants to hold us as support. We gotta come down and ask him to confirm. Are you still our support? Maybe we don't. Maybe he's already given us a go-ahead back here. But if you look back here, we did have to come down a couple of times to make sure. You're still gonna hold us up. Question is now, are you gonna hold us up? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's go down here to the daily. So much bearish divergence. So much. Look at that low volume profile there. Fucking boom. Wow. Low volume. Okay. So, price have been making higher highs. You see, on the daily, you have your high, higher highs. Yeah. Still making higher highs. Higher than back here. You have momentum printing a top. That's your anchor wave. It is the deepest wave on your momentum. Your price is getting higher, but your momentum is getting lower. I mean, that bearish divergence kind of played out right there. And then the uptrend, the trend is your friend. That could have been it. Boom. That's all your divergence. Because you're in such an uptrend, this divergence isn't going to play out like sometimes it normally would. But you're still getting higher. Lower momentum, so. Even if this one gets higher than this momentum, I doubt it's going to get, it doesn't look like it's even going to, it's probably get higher than this one. But it doesn't look like it's going to get higher than this momentum, even though price has gotten higher than price back here. So that's still major divergence all around for the last, let's see, from here, that red dot, we'll go on the red dot. For the last for the last month, we've had bearish divergence on Market Cipher B. But price has been just going up. Money flow. Jesus Christ is my Lord and Savior. Look at that money flow. Super thick, still coming up. VWAP, still coming up. But divergence on momentum. But she has definitely still got a lot of money in her. On the daily anyway. This daily money flow is still high. Let's see about the 12 hour. 12 hour, not so high, but still pretty thick. bearish divergence. I'm sure on the 12 hour. Of course, it's on the daily. It's gonna be on the 12 hour. Bearish divergence. VWAP. What are you doing? Because I love VWAP crossovers. They do it. Look, perfect. Look, VWAP crossover. Price goes up. VWAP crossover. Price goes down. Now I mean, that's better than that. Even right here. VWAP crossover. Price goes up. VWAP crossover. Price goes down. Excuse me. So we'll have to see, but it looks like she's curving on the 12, and that's what I was trying to learn. I'm trying to focus on now are the curves, because before I got Market Cipher, I saw CryptoFace talking about the curves, but now since that video he did the other day, I see him a lot better. So thank you, CryptoFace, for teaching me the curves that could curve up. Think of the circle. Think of the circle. And it looks like it'll curve up. We are in an uptrend. It very well could. Same with money flow. Look, it's curving up. You have a curvature to the upside. But still, bearish divergence. On the 8 hour, curving down. Money flow is curving down. You see that outward curve, like it's got curved down. It's a circle. Let's see. I'm sure bearish divergence. Right here. You have your highs. Higher highs. You have your high, your anchor wave, your deepest wave, your trigger wave, lower wave, another trigger wave. It's a lower wave, and these ones, you have your deep waves. Even this, I mean, this will definitely react. I mean, bearish divergence usually always reacts, even if it's not a lot, because you are in an uptrend. But every divergence that has happened, we have gotten a small move down, and then I mean, we just keep going up because we are making higher highs and lower highs. We are in an uptrend. Now, how long will the uptrend last? Well, that's why we look at the weekly. The weekly, once it starts printing that red dot, then we probably be for certain. And once the red dot confirms, then that will probably be the end of this uptrend, right? Now, where were we? Let's go to the 6 hour. Still, bearish divergence, money flow. That's actually not a bad curve overall to the downside. You see? Just that curve. That's what I've been trying to learn the last day or two, or the curves. Like I said, I knew CryptoFace, seen him talk about it before I had Market Cipher, but it's so much better because I can, so much better. You can see it. I mean, yeah, I would say money flow, but I mean, you can see here it's curving down, then you got that curve up. So you just gotta wait and see VWAP curving up. You see curving up. Momentum still not. 6 hours still not printing any kind of red dot. No signs of a bottom on the 6 hour. That's what the red dot signals, or top, excuse me. That's what the red dot signals, is the top of the move. Green dot signal the bottom of said move, from the red dot to the green dot. Now, but overall, so we had money flow. Money flow has been thick until recently. Now it's starting to come out. Let's see the 4 hour. has been thick. It has probably cooled off a bit. Yeah, see, cool off, but it's curving up. VWAP has crossed over. So we could still potentially have room to run, especially with that money flow on the daily. There is just as much money in the market as there was, what is that, like 12? Probably, I'm going to say 13. 13. Top of the money flow. 14. That's close. Anyway. Oh no, it is 13. Let's go back one. Cause boom. Boom. Nailed it. Anyway. Now. So, just as much money in the market as there was at these highs. See, there was a little cool off. But look that curvature. Think of it as a circle. Curvature. Green dot. Yeah, definitely still money in the market. Could still have room to run, regardless of the divergence. We are in an uptrend. And then the DBSI, the dual band strength indicator from Market Cipher. It's just a set of numbers, -5 being the weakest, 25 being the strongest. Here we have a -5 towards the downside. We have a 16 for the upside. So that represents a lot of weakness towards the downside, but a lot of strongness, or I know that didn't come out right, but a more strong move. There's more likely of a move to the upside with that 16 than there is a move to the downside with that -5 here on the daily. And the bigger the number, the stronger it'll be. Let's see if we can't find a 25. Oh, 20. Oh yeah, it doesn't go back that far. Duh. Okay. Well, doesn't look like it. Well, I mean, look at that 18. Positive 18. That, I bet you that wick is a -5. Yeah. Yep. -5. So yeah, there was more potential to the downside here than there was to the upside, and it obviously showed, going to that golden pocket perfectly. Okay. Speaking of golden pockets, let's draw a Fibonacci real quick. You come over here on TradingView, go to the left hand, hit Fib retracement. You can pull this out, and it's all right there. I just keep mine right there because it's what I use the most. We'll come down here to that bottom, right there. 36.8. This is a daily. We have flipped that golden pocket to support. As of right now, we need more candles above it. We need a candle to open above this 7. Can't talk. I don't know why. This 786. The candle opens above that. That could be our way to 47, 48,000. Especially look at that money. The money in the market. Right. So the 1 hour. 1 hour has on DBSI a 12 to the upside, a -5 to the downside. We flipped this spider line here, came up, tested it as support, confirmed, and now we are moving. Will we come back down and test it again? I'm not sure. Will we lose it? I'm not sure. But VWAP curving up, money flow going into the green, momentum going up, even though we could see more bearish divergence. I mean, this is 1 hour, so it doesn't look like we have any locally, no bearish divergence locally. Yeah, looks like it's playing the market. Got your high, Lower low, yeah. Playing the market, no divergences on the 1 hour. See what the 24-minute is doing. Playing the market. VWAP, money flows crossing over. VWAP, what is it gonna do? Curve down or start to go up? We'll see. We'll wait and see. You see that? Beautiful. Look at that curve. And then you could have caught a little scalp off of it right there. Now you got money flow coming up. You would have got in. Yeah, I don't know. Love those VWAP crossovers. Especially when I'm trying to scalp. It's good. It's a good indicator that price is probably going to move. Whichever way it has gone. It's better to have strong confirmations along with that VWAP crossover. But if I can have all of the confirmations lining up with it, ooh boy, it's a good trade. Yeah, so we very well could be seeing 37.4. We're at 37.5. Come on. What's our high today? 37.7. I mean, yeah. Did we make a lower high? We did. We have made a lower high. So expect to make a higher high maybe. To make it a strong move though, if we are gonna go to 47, 48, we need to make some higher lows up here around these wicks. Make some higher lows here. Maybe we can go up and touch 38. Close a candle around 37.9. Like actually close, not just wick. Maybe. Alright. Well, I think that's gonna do it for me. Let me check out these, everything on the lower time frames. I mean, that could be curving up. I mean, it looks like a straight line right now. What's money flow? In the green? I'm a little colorblind, so the green and yellow, kind of hard to see sometimes. I can see that right there. But nothing else, like, I don't like any other color pattern with it. I love the original market cipher color pattern. I'll never change it. I used to have my VWAP as black waves, but then, see right here, I wouldn't be able to see it against that. But all throughout here, I could see it. Like, all throughout there, I could see it. It looked kind of cool, but then it just, right here, I wouldn't be able to see it. Definitely got to be able to see your VWAP. So the 12-minute. No bearish divergence. No bullish divergence either. It's playing the market. That's what it seems like. Alright. Well, we do have divergences, bearish divergences across the board. Down to what, the 4 hour? From the daily to the 4 hour, perhaps. Indeed. So we do have the bearish divergence. We do have VWAP coming up on the 4 hour. Money flow coming up. We have a green dot. What? Yeah. Just confirmed 2 hours ago. The money flow on the daily is super thick. Super thick. We just confirmed a green dot 2 hours ago on the daily. Money flow looks like it's going to be higher than it was 2 weeks ago when we got this rip to this side. VWAP is coming up. Looks like we could be moving to the upside, but always keep an eye on your divergences because they play out. I mean, in an uptrend they could play out less. They're always have that less momentum because that could have been it. Could have been it for your bearish divergence right there. You see, they still play out. You get major wicks down off these divergences, but they're not going to play out as strong as they would if we was like trading sideways or in a major downtrend. We are in an uptrend, so they may not play out as strong, or they may take a while to play out, because for the last month, 40 days I think it was, we have been putting in the bearish dips right here to right here. 28 days, 1 month. So just keep an eye on them. Watch your key supports. I'll be back tomorrow with another update to see what has happened. But if you look there, that is just curvature to the upside. Money flow. There's money in the market. Remember that. We are coming into a low volume profile. If we can break 40K, be on the lookout for 47, 48,000. Happy holidays, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all... Sorry. I got distracted. I hope everyone does well. Hope God blesses everybody. Keeps your family safe. God bless everyone. I'm out.